Beautiful grill for summer, guys. It's around the corner. Lowe's is having a wonderful sale right now. You can find this and all the accessories, all the clean material. When purchasing this, make sure you purchase all the stuff that you can require. Cleaning material, especially these. These are nice pack that they sell. This is all Blackstone, but you could go other brands, but Blackstone is one of the best grills I own. And this is a 36. It comes with the cover, or you could choose without the cover. It could come with the wheels, or you could choose without the wheels. Recommendation, when you get this, have them build it. You don't put your sea eagles inside, like I said. We'll take the last ones off, and we're ready to clean this. So we're going to turn them all up right now in a bit. Crank them back up so we can start cleaning up, all right? So on the cleanup, I like to start with a little bit of water. Move it out of the way. Let it drip whatever dripping you have, all right? But don't end up with water at the end, all right? You're gonna have to end up mostly with a lot of oil too at the end. So I like to run this and scrub it to the bottom. The rock too. I use the rock a lot, but to get some of the rut out, you guys can see, but it's okay. This all the way. Ooh, it's hot. Turn all of it down. Let it burn up a little bit. Now this part, when you have it lower down, grab one of these to get any of the actual last of the water, right? Last of the water. When you feel that it's the last of the water, run the oil. Coat it with the oil, right? Always coat it with the oil. So the same rag if you want. Circles. You can make sure you grab every corner. You don't want to completely clean it because you want to keep the same taste for the next meals, you know? Just make sure you clean them, right? Come in here, clean it before you start. Look at that. And after you clean it after. So there's the maintenance on top of this, right? So we put oil on top of the dryness. And that should do it. Then we have trash. That's pretty much it. That's how my maintenance goes. And every time it rains, I come out here and I do the same procedure just to make sure there's no rust involved. Right now, we're ready to turn them off. Last part, one last oil. It's already cooled to the touch, all right? So one last oil. And I like to coat it with that, all right? And I just rub it out everywhere. It dries up quick. Make sure you put in some of the areas that you need to. One last coat, like I said, everywhere. Make sure you get at the sides too, that's important. And also pick up any kind of dirt and debris on it. And the corners is the hardest thing to clean. It's not something that you just leave it out here and forget. Even before you start, maintain it. And always make sure you season the grill. Your food's gonna taste wonderful. I hope you guys enjoy the video.